This extension was designed to track and log any attempts to export or copy data from CRM. For example, first, say if I will try and export list of contacts, I'm able to do that. But what the user doesn't know is that this action was just logged in the backend, and notification was sent to the administrator because the data was exported from the CRM. So it supports exports from the list. In addition, if the user were to select some text and hit copy or CTRL+C from the view or from the inside the record, this activity would also then get tracked in the administrative area. So far we tried exporting from the list and copying the data directly. Next we can also track the exports from the reports. So if I pick a random report and if I try to export it, this click has also been tracked. Now that we created some sample data by trying to copy and export the data, let's take a look and see how it looks on the back end. So under settings, CRM settings, other settings, and we have data export tracking area. And you can see here we have date and time that the export or copy was performed, who did it, and on what screen. So first, reports export, we just did it. We can see the user, and if I were to click on this, it would open the exact report that it was exported from. You can also download the output. Next, we have copy records, which basically tells you where it was copied from. If I were to open this, it would then open the record that I copied from, or in the other case, I try to copy from the list, and it would open the list that it was copied from. In addition, you can click download and see exactly what was downloaded. So in this file, you'll see the text that was copied. And next we have Listview Exports, which again you can click and download the exact file the user downloaded or exported. So it's very helpful to keep track of what's being exported or copied from the CRM. And in the configuration area on this wrench, you can decide what you want to track. You can track your list view and report exports, scheduled reports, as well as copy records, which is basically select, copy, or CTRL+C. And the last thing is that you can email an alert to a certain email address if any of these actions are triggered. And going back to tracking data, just click here, and here we are.